Good morning, student. Most welcome to all in our RP classes. Today I am going to start section C, part 2, the turning point. So watch this video very attentively. Today I am going to explain you from paragraph number 5 to the last paragraph number 9. Okay, student. So listen very carefully. After watching the bird flight, Dr. Kalam and his classmates knew how they flapped their wing to generate lift, and a combination between flapping wing and the tail. Now he had learned about the bird flight clearly with a practical example. So he said that his teacher was the greatest. This was not only an incident for Dr. Kalam to learn how a bird flew, but this also gave a new lesson to little Kalam. Finally, he decided to study of the science of flying. He was highly inspired by his teacher. So, this lesson of bird flight gave a mission for his life. After completing his school education, he went to the college. Then he took up physics and went to the engineering at the Madras Institute of Technology. There he took up aeronautical engineering, and later he became a rocket engineer, aerospace engineer, and a technologist too. And in 2007, this little Kalam had become the 11th president of India. Later he became popular as the missile man of India all over the world. Okay, student. Now I hope that all of you must have understood this chapter well by now. So you will also get the PDF of the same chapter from the PDF collection for the purpose of making notes. Thank you. Now, before explaining this chapter, I want everybody to look at these pictures. Okay? In the first picture, you can see there are some students on the seashore with their teacher. The teacher is pointing toward the sky, so the students are looking upward. And in the second picture, you can see some seagulls flying in formation. Okay, students. Now, I am going to start the explanation of this chapter. The turning point. The turning point is not only a chapter. Actually, this is the name of a book that's written by Dr. APJ Kalam. In this book, he mentioned the 7 turning points of his life. So, through this chapter, he is going to share his first turning point. Now, I am going to explain your chapter, paragraph 1 to 4. Okay? In this chapter, Dr. APJ Kalam sharing the experience of his school life. Here is the here is he talking about one of his teachers. His name was Sri Shiva Subramanya Iyer, who taught him in 5th standard. He was a good teacher, so each and every student loved to attend his class. One day, his teacher drew a diagram of a bird flight and also explained that how it created and changed its direction. After completing his explanation, he asked the student if they have learned the word flight, but Dr. APJ Kalam did not agree with him. Then he asked the other student about it, but they also denied. But the teacher did not upset by their response. Then he took the whole class to the seashore. There he drew their attention towards the seagulls flying in formation, so that they could understand the word flight well. Okay student, now we will meet in next video. Thank you. Good morning student. The most welcome to all in our RP classes. Today I am going to start your MCB of class 6. Now I am just going to start section C from unit 1, the turning point. But before explaining this chapter, I want to tell you about this activity. Sometimes an event may bring about an important change in the life of a person, a group, or a country, such as an event acts as a turning point. Discuss how these events can act as turning points. Here are 4 events. They can bring an important change in the life of a person, a group, or a country. This is number 1. If a student wins a scholarship, he can easily carry on his study and become a successful man. Number 2. If a scientist finds a cure for cancer, he will be able to save thousands of lives. Number 3. If a player loses his wicket on the first ball, he can lose his position in the team. And the last event, if a country discovers oil reserves of its coast, it can run faster on the path of prosperity.